Yo, United for human aqua bazeba, no quarrying jumete. No quarrying jumete. Send then that Ozakana Erica Jumete or Ghana Banis Facebook channel and a Ghana Banis YouTuber. I hope Maria tutorial show there. Kindly like Ghana Banis page. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get interactive. Subscribe to Ghana Ban YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Most importantly, let's get interactive. Let's hear from you. So kindly drop your views and comment in the comment section for us. You will agree that one of the concern issues in this country, the region issue, has to do with the declaration of Kpandai seat as a vacant seat, which has disqualified Matthew Nyindam and MPP candidates, MP for Kpandai, and as a result of that, he has filed, together with the MPP party, they have filed series of actions in various courts, including the Supreme Court. And this afternoon, few minutes ago, Supreme Court has given a ruling on one of the series of actions they have filed, the certiorari application, and thus has led to rejoice within the MPP party. So we are bringing a quick presentation saying that MPP rejoicing over Supreme Court suspending Kpandai rerun election. Let us go and listen to the MPP party people.
And the defendant has been challenging the whole exercise. And so it beats every imagination for the parliament clerk to write to EC, for EC also to go ahead to publish a date for conduct of an exercise that is being contested in the court of law. So for me, what the court has said today settles the issue to some extent. Let the NDC candidates be served, and then the process will continue. We can't have a situation where this judgment has been given, it is being contested, and other interested parties will run so fast and not allow the process to go to its conclusion. That for me is not fair. And so what the Supreme Court has given today will send a signal to all those who thought that they can have their way. It is important that we allow the law to rule. And I expect also the media to challenge some of these things. Someone went to court with the issue of 41 polling stations out of 152. And a judgment comes with the ruling that in all the 152, they should be rerun. And nobody is questioning that. That is not fair. Today, you may think that it's okay. And you won't question it. We should pray that it doesn't happen tomorrow. That would be my statement.
But I mean, today the Electoral Commission, none of the commissioners themselves were present in court, something the court took notice of and actually condemned and cautioned them. What did you make of it?
We should find out from the EC. You should probe. I mean, it is their responsibility to be here. Okay, we as the party interested, challenging it, we are here. The EC published that they were going to conduct a by-election by 30th of December. Was that fair? Was that fair? And so if the court so says that they are not pleased with their conduct, so be it.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So that's the contact for Insala Wakpao was being...
And the defendant has been...
Ate, Onya, the director of election for the New Patriotic Party, Onuna Wakasan and Amanda is a bit happy about the judgment in our Supreme Court today abandoning. Yes, the Supreme Court has suspended the rerun Kpandai rerun yenyum the electoral commission na was the date about there or 30th of December woba ya rerun Kpandai na ono and the Supreme Court and then we hold on one judgment there electoral commission to suspend that activity and amend there or the director of election for the new patriotic party Rejoice Wakasa Afaho. And then the director of election was MPP calling on the media there. The media should question Abadintina is the way Juma is some trophy why you come. What I thought is he expecting the media to do? What's a dear concon say bra if you feel what I don't know. Say dear concon bra and there a director of election or MPP Rusu Rakis media, the Aberdeen media kawana media what do you expect the media to do for you? Where now war abenimu. Naza na worry yen. You did not see anything wrong about the electoral commission under the leadership of Mesa Bosman Asari Samotete. A month for the worker that some of the things they were doing in Numan Dahoni. Now you were running to their defense and there. Soon, you are calling on the media to do what? Okay, when you first say no car yarin, na kanya kana, wanabaka, no call me yabaka, it be a concern bra of you wonan. And then we thank God. Is it a case there? Yes, the Supreme Court under the Chief Justice Paul Bafuboni, the judicial system is working and prior to this evening, yet since summer. Oyena MPP for na wareka. What can for court no? But then the court has spoken. Listen to them again. I'd say, oh yeah, MPP for their comment after the Supreme Court judgment. They are happy. They are pleased with the judgment that has come so far. We prayed and hope there. Subsequent rulings are overburning. Yankati koka. Me say, Jumidari Kenya, no core women. Yanko say NDC for the deputy director of IT. Oh yeah. Rashid Tanko computer also say yanko no yenkete.
We are not surprised at all. We are law-abiding citizens as a political party. What we do know is that the Supreme Court only suspends the rerun. The Supreme Court has not cancelled the rerun. They only suspend that. Yes, my opponents have only suspended their defeat. In fact, it has been suspended. It has been suspended. It has not been cancelled. It means the Supreme Court is aware of the orders of the High Court. And they are also aware of the second responder, which is the Electoral Commission, haven't fixed a date for the rerun. So what they are saying is that, well, hold on the rerun. Let's see. The people are crying that they have not been managed to serve our candidate. That's why we are in a report. Our candidate was not served.
I see.
And so in order...
Is it that your candidate was not served, or your candidate... Tanko, can you hear me? Is it the fact that your candidate has not been served, or your candidate is evading service?
Our candidate was not served. Our candidate is a law-abiding citizen. He's a former MP. He has not traveled out of the country. And it is not for his duty to be looking for the bailiff to come and serve him, or the MPP. He was not served. And that's why he didn't appear in court.
The argument being made by the NPP side, or by Gary Nimako in court, as we are told, is that they have tried to serve your candidate, but it has proved futile through numbers and the likes. Trying to reach him, it hasn't been successful.
He should prove evidence of having done that, and it has not been fruitful. That's why I'm saying that they are lucky we are not in court. It's just that because we are not properly served, we are not being served. That is why we didn't appear in court. But needless to say, we respect the outcome of the Supreme Court, saying that we should suspend, but they have not access to suspend campaigning. For the party NDC, we will continue our campaign. In fact, because we want to have a very wide margin in the rerun. Of course, it's going to come. They only deferred their defeat. They've given them 7 days to use substituted service means to get us. Well, let's wait for the 7 days. After, we'll take it on from there. 13th is not far from this. It will give us ample time. And then we'll put our acts together, and we'll continue the campaigning. In fact, as I speak now, some of our team members are already on their weekly. So long as the Supreme Court has not access to stop campaigning and all that, but only suspend the rerun, sure that order is directed to the Electoral Commission, not with the political parties.
I see. Tanko, which means that this is not stopping you in your tracks at all.
No. It has rather given us more days to campaign. That is what we have seen it. Look, listen to the wording. They said they should suspend the rerun. That is what the court said. And so it's an action that the Electoral Commission, if they will go ahead with the 30, now that they've been asked to suspend it, well, yeah, they have to suspend and wait until 13th around the corner. They've given NPP 7 days to look for my candidate and serve him through substituted means. We're all in this country. We are not running away. We are not fugitives. We are law-abiding. The most law-abiding political party in Ghana, NDC. And so we respect the court. That we went to the court to seek for justice for the people of Kpandai.
I see.
And justice was served.
I mean, will I be wrong to say that while you respect the decision, you didn't see it coming, and you're quite unhappy with it also?
We are fine with it. Not that we didn't see it coming. We know that if we have not been served and they brought an action like that, definitely there are lawyers who want to go for substitute service. So we already knew that they will want to go for substitute service.
I see.
Of the legal processes. And so we are not worried. We are not, that initially said, what surprise.
Very well.
So we are ready. We will respond to it appropriately.
We'll see how the next 7 days.
Our lawyers are working as we speak now.
Very well. We'll see.
Sir, I'd say, the ruling of Supreme Court Abba just few minutes ago, suspending Kpandai rerun, no. And we have heard both party speaking. But yes, MPP to some extent rejoices over that ruling, Supreme Court ruling here. Is it the case there? Now, the judicial system under the new Chief Justice, Justice Paul Bafuboni, is really up to the task. It's really working. Unanimously, 5 judges are what's in the case. They all came into conclusion there. The Electoral Commission cannot go ahead to conduct rerun on the 30th of December as they've announced for further notice. Then Rabaya, the party can serve the court's issues on the NDC Kpandai candidate. Kaida Jumedari Kanye no core we Jumedi. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole data na womber I Jumedi. Sending you those can Jumedi, the beta truth no core Jumedi. Or Ghana Ban News Facebook channel and now Ghana Ban News YouTube channel. I hope Brasimara like page and for watching for to comment section. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. No, for watching for to